Isn't it yummy? So let's get started. Add 2 tablespoons oil or butter in a pan and cook 8 to 10 button mushrooms and a bowl full of chopped spinach. You can add a bit of salt while cooking, but I personally try to avoid salt whenever it's not essential. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl and add 1 small onion, 2 green chili, a pinch of black pepper powder and some salt. Mix well and add the mixture to a hot pan with some oil or butter. Don't flip it, otherwise you will lose its softness. Just cover for a minute so that it cooks properly. Tear a cheese slice into 2 parts and add on half portion of your omelette. Add the spinach and mushroom mixture and fold the other half. Now add a heaping spoonful of cheese spread on your hot omelette so that it becomes soft before spreading. Enjoy with some butter toast and bacon or hash browns. Spread the cheese all over and garnish with the remaining spinach and mushroom mixture. Take a big bite and let your mouth, heart and soul thank you for trying this. Give us your delicious reviews in the comment section and subscribe to RovitaS for many more amazing videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.